Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so we need to find the mass of 0 degree ice that 10 gram of 100 degree steam will completely melt. So what we have is 10 grams, 10 grams of 100 degree Celsius steam. Now what happens is that the steam will convert that ice into water until the steam reaches to the 0 degree water, right? So let me write that here. Steam will continue losing heat until it itself reaches to what? 0 degree water, right? So in this case, the heat lost, Q lost by steam is what? Now, first heat lost on changing the phase, that is mass of the steam into latent heat of vaporization, right? Then changing from 100 degree water to 0 degree water. So that is mass into specific capacity into dt. So initially for the phase change, it will lose mass is 10 grams. So 10 into the latent heat of vaporization is 540, and plus the mass that of water again after the steam has turned into 100 degree water. So mass is again 10. Specific heat capacity of water is 1 calorie per gram. The temperature difference is from 100 to 0, right? So that is 100. Sorry. So we have this is equal to 6400 joules. So the steam is capable of losing 6400 joules of heat to melt the ice, right? Now to melt ice, so the heat required to melt the ice to melt ice, Q is in fact mass of ice into latent heat of fusion. Right now, the Q that we have here is available is 6400, and that is equal to mass into latent of fusion is how much? 80 calorie per gram. So this gives me mass is equal to 80 grams. So we can say that the steam is capable of melting 80 grams of ice until it reaches 0 degree water. It cannot freeze more than this. Okay, it cannot lose more heat after beyond beyond reaching to 0 degree water. All right, so this answers the given question.